Hello, now we will talk about writing equation of a circle. So, unsaon na to paghimog equation of a circle? Given ang iyang center o ang iyang radius. Okay, diri sa ta. Remember, as a review, that the distance formula is this. So, the distance D, we have D, that is the distance between A and B. So, we have the distance between A, x sub 1, y sub 1, and B, x sub 2, y sub 2 may be found using this formula. D equals the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Diba? The distance formula is derived from the Pythagorean theorem. Now, what if we will consider this? Kaniyang circle. We have here the circle. So, i-derive na nato ang equation sa circle. So, we have here, kung ang atong circle, ang iyang center is at the origin or nasa point 0, 0, man iyang center, and it has a point on the line, on the circle na P with X and Y. So, remember this radius here is mura ra po na siya og distance between C, the center, and that point. So, that could be the distance. So, ibig sabihin, si distance, pwede natin mag-substitute ta ni R. So, we have here D becomes now R. That is R equals the square root of unsa ang atong x sub 2. So, we have here our x sub 2. Ikaduhan na ito nga x. We will let this as our kaniyang atong x sub 2 and kaniyang atong y sub 2. Ang atong center will serve as x sub 1 and y sub 1. So, the second point and the first point. So, ato ilang i-solve ang ilang distance, which is the radius. So, we have here x sub 2 is x minus the x sub 1 is 0. So, we have here squared plus y sub 2 is y. We have y sub 2 is y. Then y sub 1 is 0. And then squared. So, we have r is equal to the square root of x minus 0 is x. So, squared plus y minus 0 is y. So, we have y squared. So, para makuha natin ng radical, we will square both sides. Square natin ang both sides sa equation. So, may mo na siya, the square of r is r squared. So, we have here r squared is equal to the square root, the square of the square root of x squared plus y squared is x squared plus y squared. So, this is now, or that is, pwede man na sila balihon, x squared plus y squared equals r squared. This is now the center radius form of the equation sa circle kung naa sa point of origin or nasa 0, 0 ang iyahang center. So, we have here the equation of a circle with center at the origin is x squared plus y squared equals r squared. Okay, that is taken from the distance formula. Okay, x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So, r is equal to the square root of x sub 2 is, we have x sub 2 is x, we have x minus x sub 1 is h, then squared, plus y sub 2 is y minus the y sub 1 is k, and then squared. So, to eliminate this square root, so ato nang is-square both sides. So, square both sides of the equation. So, we have here r squared. So, r squared is equal to the square of the square root of this expression. So, we have, wala na ang square root. Ang nabilin is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. So, diha gikan, still sa distance formula, gikan ang atoang equation of the circle na ang iyang center is not at the origin. Okay, So we have here the equation of the circle with center, not at the origin. Ang center niya is in the form HK, ha? Remember, ang center is HK. The x is h and the y is k. Muna ang center. And the radius is r. So we have here x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Now, to summarize that, we have here center radius form. Ang tawag ani is the center radius form. Kay makita man nato ang center and ang iyang radius. So we have here, let r be the radius of a circle. The equation of a circle in center radius form is, natay duha ka klase, remember, x squared plus y squared equals r squared if the center is at the origin or at point 0, 0. Where r here is the radius. Basta naa sa origin or at 0, 0 ang center sa circle, then this will be your equation. R is the radius. And the second one is, if ang center is not on the origin, so wala siya sa 0, 0 ang center, naa siya sa HK. So, napasabot lang nga lahi nga point, wala sa center. So, that will be x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Now, we have here examples. So, if the center, dara given ang center of ang radius, if the center is at 0, 0 and then the radius is 3, so we have here the equation. Kaya kung ato na siyang i-rewrite, ano man na siya originally, that will be using the pattern x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So that means x squared plus y squared equals 9. So 9 is in the form r squared. So we have here r squared man siya. So r equals r squared. 9 equals r squared. So we have here the square root of r. So the square root of that, the square root of that. So that means r equals 3. Yan. So since x squared plus y squared man is automatic that the center is at 0, 0. Ayan. Okay, next. The next example is this one. X minus 3 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 4. So this one is, klaro kaayo nga ang iyahang center is not at the origin. So we have here, unsang center ani? So remember that, kung wala kayo siya sa origin, that is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So, ibig sabihin, ang x minus 3, yan, squared, plus y minus, imuna to siya k. So, that means, kay plus man siya, so meaning, y minus negative. Y minus negative 1. Kay plus 1 man siya. So, para mahimo na siya og y minus negative 1, mahimo man na siya, negative times negative is positive. So, mahimo na siya y plus 1. So, ang y plus 1, nahimo siyang y minus negative 1 in the form of y minus k man ta. So, and the last is, sa r niya equals 4. 4 is, the square root of 4 is 2. So, 4 is the same with 2 squared. So, that means, this is our h, and this is our k, and this is our r. So, that means the center is at 3, negative 1, and the radius equals 2. Ayan, r is 2. So, mo ni siya. Diha na siya gikan. Okay. Kung naatay center radius form sa equation of a circle, naputa ginatawag nga general form of the equation of a circle. Gikan gihapon na siya sa center radius form, na ato lang gi-expand, atong gi-pataas, no? Ato ang gi-expand. So we have here the equation of a circle in general form is x squared plus y squared plus cx plus dy plus e equals 0, where c, d, and e are real number. So, inani ang dagway sa general form of the equation of a circle. Example, kani, x squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 10y plus 18 equals 0. X squared plus y squared minus 8x equals 0. X squared plus y squared plus 2y minus 3 equals 0. And 4x squared plus 4y squared minus 16x plus 24y minus 36 equals 0. So these are examples of equations of a circle in general form. Now let us try solving this problem. Find the equation of the circle with center at 3, -1, and the radius is 2. Yan. So we're given the center and the radius na 2. So as you can see, the center is not at the origin. So we cannot use the x squared plus y squared equals r squared. Rather, we will use the second one. So we have here the solution. The center is at 3, -1. So meaning mo ni ang ato ang HK, itong center. Ni ang ato ang radius, R, is 2. So using the formula, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Ato lang nang i-substitute ang ato mga given. So we have here x minus h is 3. So squared plus y minus k is -1. So y minus -1. Yan. Butangan dyan ng parenthesis. Equals r is 2. So we have 2 squared. Okay, ato i-simplify x minus 3. So it's x minus 3 squared plus y minus -1. That will become y minus times negative. Or negative times negative is positive. So y plus 1 squared equals 4. Ayan. So we have now the equation of the circle in center radius form. So center radius form. So, in this form, mo ni siya. Now, let us try the general form. Himo na to siya general form. Kana siya nga equation. So, we will expand this. Mamani atong equation. X minus 3 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 4. Magamit na to diri ang ato ang concept sa square of a binomial. So, unsaon ni pag-square gani? So, x minus 3 squared. So, that will be the square of the first term. So, we have here the square of the first term, x squared. And then, plus twice the product of the two. We have x minus 3. X times -3 is -3x times 2. So, we have -6x. And then, the square of the last, that's -3 squared. That is +9. And, manatag expand ani, then we will proceed to the next na part. Y plus 1 squared, that is the same with y squared, square of the first term, plus twice the product of the two terms, y times 1 times 2, so that will be 2y. And then the square of the last term, so that is 1 squared is 1 equals 4. And then you simplify in the form, himo na to siya x squared, i-arrange lang na to ni. So we have x squared followed by the y squared. Sunod na po si x na linear, -6x, and then plus 2y. And then itapok na nato mga constants. We have 9 plus 1. And then kaning nasa left side ka 4, nagbalhin may muna siya -4. And then equals 0. Then finally, simplify. So, x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 2y. Kaya di man nato na sila mga add, no? So, we have here 9 plus 1 minus 4. So, 9 plus 1 is 10 minus 4 is 6. So, we have plus 6 equals 0. This is now the equation of the circle in general form. Ayan, this is now in general form. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will answer the activity that is provided at the end of this video.